Hello, my stamping friends. This is Renee Novak at blessedbycards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I'm here today to share with you two cards that I created using the paper pumpkin from March 2026. So if you're a paper pumpkin subscriber and you have that, these two cards are an alternative. And if you're not a paper pumpkin subscriber and you want to do that, just log on to my store and just select the paper pumpkin option, and you can sign up to get this kit delivered to you. So that information is all available on my blog at blessedbycards.com. So this is an alternative. I use the stamp sets from that paper pumpkin, that sweet little hummingbird, and the flowers, and I mounted this all on this is a pretty peacock and a lost lagoon and a white, and then I use the thank you from the with you in mind, and then I just stamped the little hummingbird and I colored it a little bit with the colored pencils, and then I did use a blender pen to kind of make those lines a little less obvious. So you can also use a blender alcohol marker, but I chose to just use the colored pencils. And so the second one I did is I took those sweet little flowers. The March paper pumpkin came with two different stamp sets. So I took the little flowers and some of the splatter, and I stamped those and colored them in with the alcohol markers with Old Olive and Real Red. And then I added the wishing you a happy anniversary down here, mounted it on an Old Olive card base and a little sliver of Real Red. So those are the two cards that I came up with to have a little bit of an alternative to your paper pumpkin kit. So if you're interested in subscribing, hop on over to my blog at blessedbycards.com and sign up for paper pumpkin. It can be delivered to your house every month, and it's a different stamp set each time so that you can create all the wonderful cards that are available to you in that kit. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to stop by Blessed by Cards and download your free project sheet. And until next time, be blessed.